So let's share with everyone Link Jamaica. What exactly does the company do, and what is the overall mission of this company?
All right. So Link, as you mentioned, was started by the NCB Financial Group. Well, it started on a company called TFOB. Our job is to bring payment innovation to Jamaica, and eventually to the Caribbean. We start out as a digital wallet, but what we essentially want to become is a super app. And the main mantra of the company is to extend financial inclusion. A lot of persons are disenfranchised from accessing finances, and I know we're talking about money, but if you keep all your money in cash, it's very difficult for companies that lend to really know how you behave, right? Money, cash is kind of untraceable, if you know what I mean. And a lot of these companies need data to determine if they can extend loans to you, look at your behavior, etc. So what we want to do is make financial inclusion easier, but by allowing you to have a very delightful experience while you spend your money and while you access value. So our job is to bring that innovation to Jamaica. We started in December. We have, this is our MVP, minimum viable product. We have over 100,000 customers on the platform now,
Nice.
which is good. In 4 months into a digital space where Jamaica is getting digital, it's a great achievement for us. We're excited about the journey. We did have some kinks and some hiccups along the way, but that's what happens when you have new technology.
Right.
Our customers have sticking to them costs and them make up them noise, and some of them love us. It's a part of the journey, and we have been responding to each and every one of them to ensure that they can get into the application and utilize it. But at the end of the day, we want to ensure that you have reason to use the app. We want to bring innovation and new features to the app every month. So every month you get a new update, new features. We just launched mobile top up, and I know we're going to get into what the app does, but we just launched mobile top up last week, Wednesday. We haven't advertised it as yet, so you guys are some of the first to hear about it. And we'll have other things coming where you're going to stay in the app, more than just cashing out. So